deploy a multi-container application to the cluster using images stored in Azure Container Registry. So the first is to get our login server address, which is what I have here, azuretutor.azurecr.io. Then we need to find our way to that the AKS store demo. That's a quick start. That's the manifest. Then after that, we are going to copy the login server address, then update the image. That's the image property. So that's what I'm trying to do here. See, I copy the login server address, then I want to just update. That's where I want to update the image. So just paste the login server there. Then I look for the other ones that I need to update. So I need to update the image for the containers. Paste. Alright. Then I can Ctrl S, save. Then do I have any other one that I need to do? Let me check. Okay, yes, I have another one here, the image. So I'll just get rid of that. Paste my login server address. Alright, I think that's fine. So I will just Ctrl S this to save. So let me now deploy the application itself using kubectl apply-f, that command. Kubectl apply-f. I will use that name, AKS-install quickstart.yaml. Enter. That's fine. Alright, so the next thing is to test the application. We could get service storefront. Then watch. This is just to get our external IP. We can as well get this IP from the portal though, but I just like using my CLI command. Alright, cool. So you can see the external IP, which is what I'm copying now. Let me go to the browser, then paste. Okay. Alright. So let's see. Cool. Awesome. So this is, accessing the same multi-container application, the same application from the external IP, and also you can see the local host that I deployed in the first tutorial, and now I'm using an external IP to access the same application. I hope this helps someone in your cloud journey. Thank you for joining, and don't forget to subscribe.